Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now we'll be discussing about unordered nested HTML lists. So quickly, let's see how it looks. Lists can be nested, list inside list. That's what we are talking about. That is, when you have your list here, you can have another one inside. As you can see, we have opening and closing UL tag here, which is for our unordered list, and we have our li tags inside here. We have two here and one at the bottom here. And again, we open it again, we have our unordered list again, UL tag here inside what? Inside this li here. We're having UL tag our another unordered list along with what? Along with the li values also. So quickly, let me show you how this works quickly in our document. This is what we are having in our previous document. We don't know how we got it. You can check our previous tutorial on it, on ordered list also. That's where we get this. So now let's say for instance, now we are having this list now, and we want to have another list inside it. Sometimes in the tutorial so far, what we learned so far is that we can inside this copy here right now, we can just tap like this and create another one like ul and create another list. Let's say like, let me quickly create li times 3. Let's say we need another mango, right? Orange, apple. Let's save our document to see what's going to happen here. Can you see what we are having here now? So the coffee inside, after the coffee right now, we are having mango, orange, apple. Then we can have another thing again. But notice one thing here. What we are having here is that inside your opening and closing li tag, the unordered list can come in again along with what? The thing you have already specified there. So like, that is to say, you can say coffee. Inside the coffee, we can have this. You understand? So but you may not need this. It depends on what you want to do. So, and you can leave it like this. So now again, let's now try it. Maybe if we have it separately, maybe it's going to work. Let's leave this one now like this and now put it after immediately and see how it's going to happen. Let's say as we are having it now, you see we are having our tea and our coffee at the top. So now let's now see how it looks in our document. Can you see? It works the same way. It works the same way. So just try your best and try this. If you try it, that's when you can know what happens. So just try it. So that's where you can know what is going to happen. So as you can see, we are having one UL here. After that, we are having coffee. After that, we are having UL again. And inside there, we are having 3 lists again. So let's say, for instance, we want to remove this one now. We want to put it after the T, so that it can be after the T. So let's keep it after the T and leave the make at the bottom. Leave the make at the, it's going to come after the T. Can you see? It came after the T. So that's how it works. So it just depends on what you want to do, and you can give it a style also. Give it different style if you want, as you can see. But I want you to notice here is that this one is automatically having circle, the circle bullet. As you can see, circle type. You can change it if you want. You can copy this style here and change it. In our previous tutorial, we have discussed about this. So you can turn it also to square if you want square there. Can you see? Everything is having square. So it just depends on what you want to do. So in our future tutorial, we are still going to be discussing about how we can style this very nicely. And note one thing. Note, a list item li can contain a new list and other HTML elements like images and links, etc. So let me demonstrate something like images, like links, and so on. That is a new list here. This li here can have anything again. Let me show you how it works. But quickly, let me quickly demonstrate that. Like this li here right now can have what, can have an image inside it. Let's say this mango, we want to change it to an image, img. Let's change it to an image. Let's say avatar. Let's give it avatar and save our document. Let's reload our document. Can you see the avatar is very big? Let me decrease the size of the avatar so you can see what I'm talking about. The size of the avatar. Let's say width. Let's decrease the width quickly and give it 25 pixel. 25 pixel, so you can see what we are talking about. Can you see the avatar? And you can remove the bullet out of the avatar, out of it, and you can style other things differently or whatsoever. If you want, we can style the other. Don't forget, we can style differently, and we can say none. As you can see it now, it's none. We can give it none. We can give it none, or you can come here. You can come here, just come inside here and give this one none, so that only this one will not have the bullet. So that's all. Can you see this one is having the picture, and you can make it clickable like we were talking about. Inside here we had that this thing can have what, can have a link, can have link, so you can make it clickable again. So for instance now, let's say you want this thing to be clickable, you can put this thing in our anchor tag. Our what, our anchor tag is going to be a link. Our anchor tag can come. Wow. So you can have this inside this anchor tag here. We are going to copy this and place it here. As you can see, we are having the image inside our anchor tag, opening and closing anchor tag. We have discussed about all these in our previous tutorial. You can check it. So when we click it, it will take us to somewhere. As you can see, it will take us to somewhere, and you can remove all these bullets also if you want. You can just make everything to be none if you want, and you can style the individual also if you want. So just depend on what you want to do. Can you see? So I want you to understand this very well. That's why I'm explaining in deep ways like this. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. So have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.